Hey everyone, this is Daily English Teacher. Do you say nice all the time when you speak English? Nice job, nice weather, nice person. Well, today, we're going to stop that. There are so many better ways to sound more natural and expressive in English. Stay until the end for a short quiz, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Teacher for more daily lessons. Part 1. Why you should stop saying nice. The word nice is not wrong, but it's overused and too general. Native speakers rarely say only nice because it doesn't describe how something really feels. If you want to sound natural, you need to use more specific and expressive words. Part 2. Replacing nice when talking about people. Instead of saying, "She's a nice person," say she's kind. She's thoughtful. She's friendly. She's warm. She's easygoing. Examples: my boss is very understanding. She's such a caring person. He's really approachable. These words describe people better than just nice. Part 3. Replacing nice when talking about things. Instead of, "It's a nice day," say, "It's a beautiful day." It's a lovely morning. The weather is perfect. Instead of, "That's a nice car," say, "That's a cool car." That's an impressive car. That's an amazing design. Instead of, "That's a nice place," say, "That's a cozy place." It's so peaceful here. What a stunning view. Each of these gives a clearer picture of what you really mean. Part 4. Replacing nice in reactions. When you react to good news, instead of saying, "Nice," say, "That's great." That's awesome. That's wonderful. That's fantastic. When you agree, instead of, "Nice," say, "Sounds good." That works for me. I like that idea. Perfect. When you compliment, instead of, "Nice job," say great work. Well done. Impressive effort. You did amazing. Let's review. Use kind, thoughtful, friendly for people, beautiful, cozy, amazing for things, and great, awesome, well done for reactions. Now it's time for your quiz. Which sentence sounds more natural? A, that's a nice job. B, that's a great job. C, that's a job. D, that's a cool job. Write your answer in the comments below. Practice these replacements, and you'll sound more natural immediately. See you tomorrow in the next lesson. This was Daily English Teacher.